இது குத்தாட்டோ ராக்காட்டோ நீ கேளுடா பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலு பறக்குதடா இது குத்தாட்டோ ராக்காட்டோ நீ கேளுடா ராக்குனா அங்க வெயிட்டுடா குத்துனா இங்க கெத்துடா ரெண்டுமே கலந்தா மாசுடா சே டோ ரே மீ ஃபா சோல் லா டி டோ ராக்கு குத்து சேர்ந்து வந்தா ராக்கா குத்து இது தாண்டா ராக்கு குத்து சேர்ந்து வந்தா ராக்கா குத்து இது தாண்டா.
So the first step is, I'll show you only my hands. So your left hand stays on your hip and your right hand goes like this. So it's a wave inside. So you take your right hand like this inside and you finish it here. So it's 1, 2. So when you finish it, it's straight your palms facing your right ears. Okay? So it's 1, 2. I'll show you my legs now. So when you do one, when you take your hands inside, you gotta jump, tuck. So your legs are crossed. So your right foot is facing your right diagonal and your left foot is facing your left diagonal. It's not this straight, it's this diagonal. So it's 1, 2. So the lyric is part 2. So it's a song. So 1, 2. You got that? So it's 1, 2. So for the third count, you go down, you jump down. It's 3. So when you jump down, your body is facing your left side. And your chest bit bend down and your left hand stays in this way. I'm not sure what angle is this and all, but your left palm facing your right shoulder. It's like this and your right hand stays on the back. So we'll do first 3 counts, okay? It's 1, 2, 3. So part on the pa, okay? It's pa. You got that? So 1, 2, 3. We'll do it once more. It's 1, 2, 3. I'll do the fourth count, okay? It's 1, 2, 3 from here. So for the third count, you got to look down. So for the fourth count, you see up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, you look down. 4, you come back. So when you come back, your hands are in this position. It's like this. It's a perpendicular thing. So 3, 4. Okay? You got that? Okay. The count goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the fourth count, you got to be sharp. So when you look down, look up sharp like this. Okay? So we'll do once more the counts. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the next 4 count goes. So your legs stays in this way. So please see me, okay? Please watch me and learn. So your left leg is bent like this and your right leg is bent like this. So please watch me. So from here, the next count goes, you pull in. So you pull your right hand in and you pull your left hand to your left side. It's like this. So your leg goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you gotta take a jump with your left leg inside, facing the left diagonal. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. You do like this. So your right foot is facing left side. You got that? And your right knee is facing that diagonal. So 4, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do first 8 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you got to dance on your toes, with more energy and expression. Okay?
5, 6, 7, 8.
So I'll do once on counts. So it goes. So your left hand stays on your hip. It's like a pose. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's faster with the song, okay? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next count goes, you run in the front, but your body facing in the left side. So you take your right leg first, and your left leg back, and then again your right leg, and your left leg in the front. So you finish it like this. But the count goes, so I'll show it slowly. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it okay? So you finish it here. So the next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, but with the song, it goes in 2 counts. It is 1, 2. So when you do this step, you got to show some side. It's like 1, 2. It's like Adama. So you finish it here and you go 1, 2. You finish it here and the next 2 counts is 1, 2. Okay. So the next count is 3, 4. It's like, you finish it here and you get ready. It's like 3, 4. Got that? So we'll do first 4 counts. So you finish it here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We'll do it again. You finish it here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes 1, 2 and 3, 4. So 3, 4, you join your legs together, and 5, 6, 7, 8, you got to lift. You got to keep your left hand straight and your right hand straight to your chest, and you do this too, like going up and coming in. Going down and coming back up. So when you come back up, you got to lift your right leg and left leg. So I'll show you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that okay? When you do 5, 6, 7, 8, you got to say no like this. It's like you can't be without dancing. It's called be without dancing. Okay? You got that? I'll show you once. So you finish it here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So after you finish this, you're finishing this, and you got to take a step forward with your right leg in your right diagonal. It's like this 1. So when you do this, you got to lift your right hand like this, keep it back like this. It's again, it's a side. It's like 1. You got that? So you finish it here and you go 1. So you take your right hand and your left hand stays here. So the second count is same. You take a step with your left leg and goes 2. So but when you do 2, your right hand comes in this position. It's a whistling position. Okay, it's 1, 2. So you stay in you stay in this position. It's a half sit position. You stay in this. Okay. For the second count, your left hand at the back, your right hand in this position. I'll show. It's 1, 2. So 3, 4. You hit your pelvic. Tuck, tuck. 3, 4. Okay. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more. So you finish it. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. You finish it, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So after you finish the hit, you got to take a turn on your left side. So it's like with your left leg, with just one leg, you go 1, 2, close, open. Is that okay? From here, you got to take a turn on your left side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 2, it's 1, 2, you come straight and then close, open. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8 is close, open. When you take a turn, you got to turn like this. It's like tak, 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 flying, this step. So you got to take a turn in that way. So it's, from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
இது குத்தாட்டம் ராக்காட்டம் கேளுடா பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலு பறக்குதடா இது குத்தா.
You do close, open. So the next step, you take your right leg at the back. Tuck, tuck. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. So your leg goes like this. Your hand stays here, again on the hip. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that? So your legs in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you take your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's kuttata rakata. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you go. You got to lift your left leg and come front. Tuck, tuck. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you come and you land, your body is in the right side, and when you come, you got to show this mannerism. You could have seen this, it's clockwise and anti-clockwise. Come like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like it's kuttata rakata nikelida. Please listen like that. We say please in this way. Tak, tak, tak. Will do? Yeah. We finish it here and we come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do once more the counts. Okay, we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
காட்டோன்
5, 6, 7, 8.
பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலே பறக்குதடா இது குத்தாட்டோ ராக்காட்டோ நீ கேளுடா
You finish it here like this and you go. The next step is you got to take your right leg back. It's 1 and so I'll show you. It's 1. You got to take your left leg back. 2 and again 3. You got that? It's 1, 2, 3. So with the song it goes in 2 counts. So you finish it here. So after this it's 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3. But you do this in 2 counts. It's 1, 2. You finish it here and you go first right, back, left, back, and then right, front. So it goes 1, 2. Okay? So we do that once. It's 1, 2. So for 3, 4, you take a sharp turn. It's 3, 4. You got that? Sharp turn in the left side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take tuck. So you take your hands like this. You face your palm is facing outwards, and your forehand straight to your forehead, and right forehand is straight to your belly. It's like, so you finish it here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You take a pelvic hit here. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first 5, 6. You take a pelvic hit on your left side. 5, 6. The second pelvic hit straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
காட்டோன் பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலே பறக்குதடா இது குத்தாட்டோ ராக்காட்டோ நீ கேளுடா ராக்குனா அங்க வெயிட்டுடா குத்துனா.
So next step, you finish it here. Again, this part is most of the pelvic hits. So from here, you go, take your left leg in the front, take a step in the front, left diagonal, and you keep your hands like this. So it's 1, 2. So you hit from here, you keep your hands like this, legs in the front, and take hit and hit, hit. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4, you got to say come. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that? Take a step with your left leg and then right leg. So from here, your hand goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that fine? Yeah? So from 3, 4 you finish it. And the next 5, 6, 7, 8 is from here you take your left leg. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. This route. First you move to your right and then to your left. And your left hand stays straight and your right hand like this. There's no single pasanga in this one. With that. Is that? So I'll show you from here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
குத்தாட்டோ ராக்காட்டோ நீ கேளுடா பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலே பறக்குதடா இது குத்தாட்டோ ராக்காட்டோ நீ கேளுடா ராக்குனா அங்க வெயிட்டுடா குத்துனா இங்க கெத்துடா.
So when you do this step, you got to shake your heads like this. Ta ta gettida. Okay? You finish. Gettida from here. You got to take a jump. It's 1, 2. So it's you got to take your hands like this, and you got to take a jump. Close, open, and you pull your right side of your shirt on your right side. It's 1, 2. You got that? So you finish it here, and you move 1, 2, 3. 3 again. You jump back here, and 4. You land like this. This step, right? So you land like this. I'm not sure, this angle, hands angle and all, but please watch me and do. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 5, 6, 7, 8. Again your pelvic hit. So your body is on the left diagonal and hit which rendume kalanda mass idalo. So you show it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So you hit your hands, you hit your palms down like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I'll show the next step also. So from here, you know, the lyric goes say. So say comes in the song. So for that you say like this. You stay like this. It's a pose. You know, who says like this? Okay, start doing something. So but you from here you jump. Your body faces on your left side, right diagonal. So you jump like this. 1. So your right hand is up and your left hand stays on your hip. Okay? So I'll do from here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say. Okay? I'll do once more. So from here, you finish it here. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say. From here, you stay here. So the next 8 counts, you know, it's very simple. It's going to be like full of mannerisms. So from here you go, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like, you know, you don't understand the music, what is going on. So it'll be like, so they be, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next 5, 6, 7, 8, this you come, run in the front, but you know, in the right diagonal way. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that? So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. I'll do it once more. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got to snap your right hand like this. Tak, tak. It's a mannerism. So you do to the style, okay? So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Five, 6, 7, 8. You finish it here, and the next is the chorus part, okay? So you go down 1. So you go down from, it's like you run and start the next step. It's 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? You got that? So we'll do from here 1, 2, 3 and 1. So your body is facing on your right diagonal. From here you go tuck. So in this way. So you bend your right leg and your left leg is straight like this, and your right hand and your left hand like this, but you should do it in the right diagonal. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay? So again from here you go back again down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, same step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. From there you lift your right leg like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, your left hand stays at the back of your head and your right hand hits your feet. It's like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 you finish, you face on your left side. So the next step I'll show you the leg. So you take your right leg in the front, 1, and your left leg. So first right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's again you hit your pelvic. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same movie step, okay? It's in the video song of Rock on Gurudeva. So I'll do it. So from here I'll do it. Okay, I'll show you. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you stop like this. Okay? From here you take a turn like this. 5, 6. Again, your body faces on your right diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8. You show a mannerism. Tuck. 1, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
காட்டோன்னு
5 6
கேளுடா
7 8
பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலு பறக்குதடா இது குத்தாட்டம் ராக்காட்டம் நீ கேளுடா ராக்குனா அங்க வெயிட்டுடா குத்துனா இங்க கெத்துடா ரெண்டுமே கலந்தா மாசுடா சே டோ ரே மீ ஃபா சோலாடி டோ ராக்கு குத்து சேர்ந்து வந்தா ராக்கா குத்து இது தாண்டா.
You finish it here, and your next is you take your right leg in the front, tuck. So it's like this, in this way. So you hit your right leg heel down like this. It's 1 2. So when you hit, you lift your left leg this 3 4. You got that? From here you go 1 2 3 4. So for fourth count, your body is facing the left side. Is that fine? From here you go 1 2 3 4. You got to take your hands like this. So your left hand goes like this. When you lift your right leg, your right hand goes. It's 1 2 3 4. You got that? So from here you go 1 2 3 4. 4, your body is in this position. Okay? I'll show you once. From here you go 1 2 3 4. So 4 you finish. So your left palm is facing straight and your right arm is like this, straight to your chest. I'll show you. From here you go 1 2 3 4. So it's 1 2 3 4. So and the 5 6 7 8 is, you just move your hip like this in this group. So you hit 5 6 7 8. So from here you go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 7 8 you finish here. Now next is an easy step, finishing step. So it's like you pull your right shirt in this way. You go straight like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You finish it. I'll do from here, okay? So it goes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So when you do, so you go like this, tuck tuck. Your leg is a hop. It's an, you keep your right leg and your left leg up. It's like this, tuck 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 tuck. I'm sorry if I'm not clear. So from here you go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 3 4 you slide and 5 6 7 8. Tuck tuck tuck.
இது குத்தாட்டம் ராக்காட்டம் நீ கேளுடா பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலு பறக்குதடா